All right. Welcome to another Nomad sculpting um, modeling video. This time we're going to do a simple gas mask. So yeah, let's get started. All right. So we've got our little circle here, and we also have reference image. If you're a Doctor Who fan, that's where you Are You My Mummy comes from. So yeah, let's get started. All right, we're gonna have to make this hollow, or we want it hollow. So this is pretty good, right? But we want to make it a little bit better. So let's increase that radius and pull like this. All right. Left. We're also gonna do the same. All right. Okay, that's not too bad. Sweet. Okay. All right. Sweet. Go to front right here, and then we're gonna duplicate this. We're gonna go to Gizmo, and we are gonna go to X that out, and then increase that. So this will be how thick our mask is. So then we go back, take that out, select them both, do a voxel merge, and we've kind of hollowed it out. Let's go to our side, right? And let's see if we angle it like this. Oh, we're gonna angle it like that. And then we're gonna do some cutting. So go to trim. And we're gonna do the lasso tool, gas mask. All right, it's gonna be this angle like this. That's pretty straight. Okay. Maybe a little like this. No, definitely. Okay, this is good. Now we're gonna go to the front side, and we're gonna make two circles. So right about here, and we're also gonna do symmetry about this. Cool. And make sure it's local to the mask itself. All right, so oval. Yeah, okay, cool. And then we're also gonna do, let's see. No, that's fine. Okay, that's good. Let's go ahead and add the little mask thing right there. So let's add a cylinder, make it way smaller. Left, move it up here, make it smaller again, like that. I think it's right about here. We're just gonna angle this, right? Make sure it doesn't go in there too much. Right? Oh, it's still in there. Okay, just a little bit. That's fine. Okay, press validate. I can figure that out later. Okay, so left side, we're gonna duplicate this. Make this a little bigger each time. And then we're also gonna angle it a little bit down. this. Okay, and let's keep repeating that at least twice. Okay, I guess we gotta do it a fourth time. And then that's about perfect. Right there we are, sweet. And then we're gonna add all of these together. Actually, let's duplicate this one first. Duplicate. And then we're gonna add all of these ones together. Let's do a simple merge because we want to keep their shape. All right. Go left, this way, like that. And we're gonna make it a big thing like that. This way. And good. Okay. Now we're gonna duplicate it, make it smaller. Oh, sorry. Make it bigger like this. Exit out. And box will merge so we can do some like that. Right, let's fix the geometry right here, smooth things out a little bit. Right. Oh, we gotta fix the geometry for this too. There we are. Let's go back here. Fix this. All right, and we are also gonna fix this a little bit because I think this was an issue that we needed to address. So what we're gonna do is just literally add some clay here. And this indentation is fine. It's just to signify, hey, there's something attached here, and just smooth it out. Oh, nice. All right. Oh, let's keep on smooth things out here. Actually, let's increase the intensity here. Keep on keeping on. All right, and there we have it. A simple gas mask, and we forgot the clips. Okay, so let's go to the right and add little box. Let's make this way smaller. Right here, I'll make it way smaller. Okay, back. Then we're gonna do some symmetry, and we are gonna mirror from right to left, I think. Okay, there we are. And then we are gonna do a little strip. What's it called? Add a plane. So make this way smaller like this. Rotate it 90 degrees this way. And go to the left. Oh, take out the snap. Cancel that. All right. Take off the snap. Cancel. Buttons. Why don't you work? Oh, there it is. Was pressing the wrong. All right. Okay. And then left, up, and go like this. And so it's right about there. And now validate, move. See? Decrease the radius. Now we get our mask. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, sweet. We're gonna do the UV unwrapping, but if you want to stick around for that, but if not, you don't, and the model and video will be up soon.